Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Come and cook with me. Today I'll be making some coconut salmon. Yes, I am such a coconut lover. I'm sure you guys know that by now. I love everything coconut. So yes, here are my ingredients that I'll be using. So let's get to seasoning. You guys know I love a proper seasoned food. Season. So I'm putting some salt on my salmon. And now I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning. Use whatever seasoning you have. So put that on there, sprinkle. And then, you just rub it in or pat it in. But, love on the salmon. You're going to love on your food. When you love on your food and you taste it, you will taste the love. My husband always said that. He's like, if we taste food and it not taste good, we're like, that never cook with love. So, yes, cook your food with love. So, flip it over and we're going to repeat the process. Dash on some salt. Dash on some all-purpose seasoning. Well, make we rub in the salt first. Yes, dash on some all-purpose seasoning and my little roasted garlic pepper thing. Let's sprinkle. Twirl, girl, twirl. Okay, we're gonna flip it over back and let's get to twirling again. Twirl, twirl around. Yes. So I'm gonna do that, and now I'm adding some black pepper. Yes, this is the icing on the cake, the final dash on, and there we have it, well seasoned. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to put my coconut milk to boil up to do it thing. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of blended seasoning and a little bit of salt and stir that up and just make it boil up for like 5 minutes. It don't need a long time. And in the meantime, between time, we're gonna just give our salmon a little browning. Yes, so we're not going to fry them for long. This whole thing don't take long. I think the longest part of it is just to season the salmon, right? So we're just trying to get the skin crispy. So I added some oil to my pot. The pot need for hot. You don't put fish into cold pot. And then so see my coconut milk, it's doing its thing. So now that the skin is crispy, flip them over. And this part definitely not going to take long. You take them out 2 twos. As soon as them get a little brown, you take them right out. So this is what they're looking like. It's because the seasoning is on it, why it looks so nice and brown. But yes, guys, this is the salmon. So take them out and put them in your plate with a little that's lined with napkin or paper towel. And this is the last piece that I'm gonna fry. Put it in, get it in the middle right there. And then just like that, whoops, I'm taking it out. So quick. Yes, you guys just blink and here it is. This looks so delicious. Ready for your belly. Okay, so the pot that I fried the salmon in, I'm just going to pour out the oil that was left back. And then put that back on the stove. So I never turn off the fire. And then put that back on the stove. And my coconut milk now. Pour it in there. The only reason why I'm doing this though, guys, is because this pot that the coconut milk was in, it wasn't big enough. So I'm gonna put it into my bigger pot. Pour it into my bigger pot. So if you're one way you boil the coconut milk into big, just add the salmon to that pot. So yes, add the salmon. Look at them. You guys look so glory, hallelujah, ush. Yes, I don't even have the word. They look so good. Looks so yum, yum, yum. And we're just gonna take our coconut milk and sprinkle it, pour it on the top. Pour it on the top. Now guys, what you can do is so when you sprinkle the coconut milk on the top, you pour it on the top, you can just leave the salmon to just cook there, well, to just you know, make the flavor them infuse together. Do it for like 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook your salmon. But what I'm going to do, so I do this for like 3 minutes on top of the stove, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for 2 minutes to broil. Yes, so from the stove top to the oven, broil just 2 minutes, and this is it. Take it out. Guys, you don't even have to do that part, to be honest. You don't have to do that part. I just wanted the top to be a little bit brown and have a little bit of crisp. That's the only reason why I did that. You guys don't have to do it. So what you can do, as I said, when you put your salmon into the coconut milk, and then, you know, you sprinkle the coconut milk on the top, you pour it on the top of the salmon. You can just leave it to simmer for like 5 minutes. If you want your salmon soft and, you know, have the nice soft taste there, then you can cover the pot. If not, and it not really matter, and you like to have a little crisp or a little thing I go on for your salmon, then fine, don't cover it. Just leave the pot open and leave it there for 5 minutes. But yeah, or you can do it the way I did it. Try it both ways and you guys see what you like. I know what I like, and here we have it. Yes, this is the finished product. All I did was just to transfer it to my nice up, well presentable plate. Come through my nice white plate. But guys, I am telling you, this right here, if you are a coconut lover, I promise that you will love this. Zoom in, come in palm coconut salmon. You look good. No light you have to duck from, no video light, not even a flashlight. Any light you see run out, all for the phone screen light, you run right out, you salmon, because you look good. You ready? Yes, you ready. You have this with some white rice and peas, any rice, anything. Listen, you can all eat it alone and just lay down and say, yes, Lord, I mean that. So good. Vibes fam, you will enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me another time. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. New watchers, please subscribe. And guys, go and follow me on Instagram. God bless you.